Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my dear students. I am Mr. Muhammad الشربيني. Today we'll talk about Super Bowl 1 grammar. Our grammar today is going to be about the verb be. The verb be has three forms. The verb be has three forms: am, is, and are. Now, let's see how we can use them. Singular, we have am. We use am with I. As a contraction, I can say I am. I am John. You are. As a contraction, you can say you are. You're Sue. He is. As a contraction, you can say his bill. She is. As a contraction, you can say she's married. It is. As a contraction, you can say it's a cat. Plural form, we use only are. We are. As a contraction, we can say we are. We are students. You are. As a contraction, you can say you are. You are friends. They are. As a contraction, they are. They are teachers. Now, let's practice verb to be. Exercise A. Complete the sentences. Use the correct form of the verb be. Number 1. Mr. Al-Badri space the principal. What's the answer? Very good, everyone. Mr. Al-Badri is the principal. Number 2. I space a student. There is I. So what's the answer? Well done. I am a student. Very good. Number 3. Matt and Ben space classmates. What's the answer? We have Matt and Ben. They are plural. So we use, very good, we use are. Very good. Number 4. Rana space a teacher. Rana, it's a singular. So we use, no, not am. Very good. Rana is a teacher. Very good. Number 5. You space my best friend. What's the answer? Well done, everyone. You are my best friend. Number 6. Mr. and Mrs. Johnson space married. What's the answer? Mr. and Mrs. Johnson. They are plural. No, not is. Very good. Mr. and Mrs. Johnson are married. Very good, everyone. Now, let's move to verb to be the negative form. We add not after am, or is, or are. It becomes am not, is not, are not. For the singular, I am not. As a contraction, I am not. I am not John. You are not. As a contraction, you aren't. You aren't Sue. He is not. As a contraction, he isn't. He isn't Bill. She is not. She isn't. She isn't married. It is not. As a contraction, it isn't. It isn't a cat. Okay, now let's move to the plural form. Plural form, we use are not. We are not. Contraction, we aren't. We aren't students. You are not. As a contraction, you aren't. You aren't friends. They are not. They aren't. They aren't teachers. Now, let's practice the negative form of verb be. Exercise B. Complete the sentences. Use the correct form of the verb be. 1. Mr. Al-Badri space not the principal. What's the answer? Mr. Al-Badri is a singular noun. Very good. Mr. Al-Badri isn't or is not. The principal. Number 2, I is not a student. We have the pronoun I. So the answer is, well done, I am not a student. Number 3, Matt and Ben, space, not classmates. Matt and Ben aren't classmates. Very good, everyone. Number 4, Rana, space, not a teacher. We have Rana, singular. So the answer is, well done, Rana is not or isn't. Number 5, Sammy, space, not my best friend. We have Sammy. Sammy is a singular. So the answer is, well done, everyone. Sammy is not or isn't my best friend. Number 6, Mr. and Mrs. Johnson, space, not married. What's the answer? No, not is. Mr. and Mrs. Johnson, plural. So the answer is, aren't married. Very good, everyone. Now, let's practice some more. Complete the sentences. Use the correct form of the verb be. Number 1, Amr, space, not a student. Excellent work. Amr is not a student. Number 2, you, space, a teacher. What's the answer? No, not is. You are a teacher. Number 3, Mr. Bond, space, a good teacher. What's the answer? Am, not am, no. Mr. Bond is a good teacher. Very good. Number 4, Asma and Mona, space, best friends. What's the answer? Asma and Mona, plural. So the answer is, are best friends. Very good. Number 5, we, space, not students. We have we here. So the answer is, no, not is. Are not. We are not students. Number 6, they, space, not at school. What's the answer? No, not isn't. They aren't at school. Now, complete the sentences. Use contractions with be. What's meant by contractions? The short form. The short form. Okay, let's see. This is my friend. Space, a student. This is my friend. Space, a student. The answer is, as a contraction, very good. This is my friend. He's a student. Number 2. This is Miss Mona. Space, a teacher. Well done, everyone. This is Miss Mona. She's a teacher. Number 3. My name is Ali. Space, a teacher. My name is Ali. Well done. I am a teacher. Number 4. These are Mr. Saul and Mr. Sammy. Space, doctors. What's the answer? No, not his. Mr. Ali and Mr. Sammy, they are doctors. They are doctors. 5. Our names are Adil and Fahd. Space, friends. Adil and Fahd are plural. Very good. We are friends. We are friends. Number 6. You are my best friend. Space, my best friend. Very good. You are, so the answer is you're my best friend. Exercise E, choose the correct form from A, B, or C. Number 1, Abdul Aziz, space, a student. Am, is, are. What's the answer? Well done, everyone. Abdul Aziz is a student. Number 2, they, space, teachers. Am, is, or are. They, well done, everyone. They are teachers. Number 3, this, space, a computer. Am, is, are. This, excellent work. This is a computer. Number 4, Hannah, space, you. Am, is, are. We have you, so the answer is, well done. Fatma and Mona are at the mall. My dear students, that's the end of our lesson for today. Till see you next time. Goodbye and have a very nice day.